Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a fun unboxing. So I ordered some stuff from TempestXOXO and I'll link all her stuff down below because she is amazing. She sent me some a couple of months ago. It was back in March, I think. Yeah, it was back in March. And it was her first time, opening up her Etsy shop and everything, and I think she killed it. I did give her some advice and she did take that to heart, and I'm super excited to see what she has come up with this time. I did order most of this, but she did say that she was going to add some goodies in it, so I'm super excited. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below for more unboxings or budgeting or grocery hauls if those interest you. Alright, so, and it's really thick. Like, she probably added so much in here, and she did not have to. But, let's see. Oh, I didn't order this. Now, this is cute. Like, Tiffany blue. Oh my gosh. I did see that on her shop. I've seen all of these. Oh my gosh. And I think I ordered this one, I believe. Yeah, I ordered this. This is what I ordered, so we're going to put these aside, and we're just going to look at the ones I actually ordered. So let's see. All right. So this is her Instagram if you want to go and follow her. She always does, she always uploads, and she tells you what is new in her shop. She also does have a YouTube channel, so I will link all her stuff down below. Don't you worry, you guys. All right, so I needed some new no spin stickers because I ran out. As you can see, if you've seen my weekly check-in, I ran out, so I needed some of this. So I just got the regular no spin black and white one because I think that's a lot cleaner. So that is awesome. This is just my order. Oh my gosh, she added, oh my gosh, these are so cute. She added cash envelopes. Oh my god, I am definitely going to use this, and I am going to switch out some of my cash. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, I love it. How did she do this? Did you make this? I just want to know. Oh my gosh, and I always wanted one that has like the flap envelope. A lot of people, there's like positive, negative reviews on those, so I'm super excited to try these out. Thank you so much. Alright, so let's see. This is what I got. So I got the lemon kit, and it has lemons for the washi, and then it has like peach color. So I got a paycheck 1 to do my budget, like how much I get paid. So there's paycheck 1, 2, and 3 because I do have 3 paychecks that are going to be coming out to me in May. Then I got the May budget, so this is going to be for all of my bills. And then sinking funds, I'm not sure if I'm going to use the transaction log because I tried to use it last time and it just didn't work. And then here is my weekly check-in. Now these do feel a lot better. I really like this type. I think this, what she said, was the matte one. Or we will see at the other end. So that is all of the March. So this is the peach and lemon. Super cute. All right, so let's move on to this because there is a little note. It says, this is offered as a printable. The sticker paper used in the normal removable matte paper I used. Enjoy. Huh. And, oh my god, you guys. Harry Potter. Like, can she like read my mind or something? Or does she like Harry Potter as much as I do? I mean, she just knows me. I swear we can be best friends. Alright, so let's see. So this is something new that I did not order this one. So we're going to move this. Thank you for my little letter. I absolutely love Harry Potter. Alright, so we're going to move that out of the way. Now, let me do a test. Okay, I can see the difference. So this one is a lot smoother. Then this, unless I'm going crazy, let me know, Tempers, down below if these are the same paper. They don't feel like they are, so let me know. But this is really pretty. So this is a floral and leaves. I'm not sure if it is... I'm not sure if it is a March. No. Okay, so this is awesome. So I can actually use this for like June if I want to. But I have the debt tracker, which I need to upload a updated snowball. We have the Bill Do stickers. So I absolutely love these colors together. They are super cute. And then we have the paycheck. So there's paycheck 1, 2, 3, and 4 for you guys. So cute. There is some washies, the small washies. Let's see. So we got the sinking funds and the transaction log. The weekly check-in, which is super cute. Oh, I love it. So she added the big washi, and this is not removable, so that is cool. Same goes for the monthly budget. And then she sent me the all of the months. I don't know if you can see that, but it's very light, but that's only because of the color, but it's super cute. So it has all the months, so that's fun. And then she sent me the one in green. And then we have, so she took my advice and not put like the date up here so it won't be like removable, so we can use this for any of the months. So I probably will use this for either June or July because it's kind of springy. Well, it is spring, but it's kind of more like summer also, so that's gonna be fun. Oh, and I could do June and July. That would be fun. So super excited about that. Or August. So that is also, and I love the little like details. So there's this little Starbucks coffee. I absolutely love Starbucks and I miss it so much. But that is fun. So then we're going to move on to this one. And this is like, I think this is her Tiffany Blue. So super excited for that. All right, let's see. She did not have to give me all of this. Oh my god, you guys. It's so much. Alright, so I got some more no spin. Ooh, so this is the classic no spins that I got. So I got 4 of those. And then look at these. These are so much fun. These are like the stop sign, like no spin. And it has the little, the stop, I guess I call it a stop sign. Like the, yeah, I absolutely love this one. Super cute. All right. And then we have the May. So this one does have the May on it, but and all that's super cute though, and I absolutely love it. And I think this actually will go with this, so I'm excited to try that out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at these envelopes, you guys. Tiffany Blue. Oh my god, they are so... Blue is my favorite color, like my favorite color of all time, and it's literally like Tiffany Blue is my ultimate favorite blue color. So that is so much fun. So look at all of the envelopes that I got. And I'm definitely going to use these. It's time for a revamp of my Sinking Fun envelopes. Alright, so we got some Bill Do stickers again in the Tiffany Blue color. And then we have first, second, third, fourth, and that's the death tracker. But we have first, second, third, and fourth paychecks in this very light blue. And then also the debt tracker is in light blue also. And then here is the washi. So we have the big washies in the darker Tiffany blue, and then we have a lighter Tiffany blue. And then we have a variation of the small, dark, and light washies. The Sinking Funds. This is super cool because we could actually use this for, what is it, Christmas? That would be fun. All right, weekly check-in. Monthly. Ooh, I like the little debt pay. That's cute. The little details, so everything is like light blue, and then you have the debt paid. Then she gave me the January through December in the blue. It's kind of like, it's not like the darker blue, I don't think. I think it's a little bit darker than that. And then we have the big washies and the little washies, both in the dark Tiffany blue and the light Tiffany blue. So I'm super excited. Like, this is amazing. All right, you guys. So literally that is everything. And like I told you, I did not buy all of this. I did not. She is just amazing, and I absolutely adore her. She has come a long ways. And I just want y'all to go and support her. Just support her, you guys, because this is amazing. Get her name out there because she's doing a phenomenal job. And I wanted to thank you, Tempest, for sending me all of this. You did not have to. And I hope everybody have a great week. And I will see you guys later, and I will definitely be doing a plan with me with these stickers, so be on the lookout for that. And be sure to subscribe down below and let me know if you like more unboxing or Etsy hauls. I will more than willing to do that, and I will see you guys later. Bye.